Hello, I have collected different mods from the internet which makes the mobile game Grand Theft Auto San Andreas better and more fun to play. So this video will guide you through each and every steps on how to mod the game. We will tackle some common problems like how to access the data and OB files in Zarchiver, and how to fix the game cutscene crashes after installing a mod. We will be adding a new graphics to the game, replacing cars with realistic cars, and applying a new soundtrack to those cars, so you should follow the instructions keenly. The mods that we will be using can be accessed from the links in the description. Let's start. For you to install mods to the game, you will need the game itself. You can get the game from the app HappyMod, which can be downloaded from Chrome for free, with an additional menu mod that can give you infinite money. The link is in the description. Now that you have the game, you will have to install 3 other tools, which are Zarchiver, GTA IMG Tool, and Shizuku, which can all be found in Play Store. Let's start by accessing the data and OB folders. If you can access the folders, you can just skip to the mod installations. Go to Play Store, search for Shizuku, and download it. Now go to Settings and search for Build Number and press it many times until it tells you that you are now a developer. The developer oceans will turn ON automatically. Open Shizuku, select Pairing, then Developer Oceans. Note that you will have to be connected to the Wi-Fi for the tool to work. Scroll down to Wireless Debugging, turn it on, and allow. Select On Pair Device with Pairing Code, and put the code, and a notification will tell you that the pairing is successful. Go back and press Start, and the tool will start running. Now go to Zarchiver, press the 3-dot, Settings, Root, type of root access, the select Shizuku. Turn on the use of Android data, OBB, then go back. Go to Android, Data, and allow all the time. Do the same for the OBB folder, and as you can see, you now have access to the folders. Now run the downloaded GTA game. Follow my settings for the best visual display. As you can see, the visuals are much better. Now let's install the graphics mod. Go back to Zarchiver and go to the location where you downloaded the mods. In my case, it's here. Extract the zip files. Now select the com.rockstar.gtasa file and copy it. Go back to Android, Data, and paste it. Now run the game again. The visual graphics is installed. To make the game run smoothly, first go to Language and fix to the one you like. Brightness around 64%. Visual effects high. The game is smoother, but we will make it better after the car mod. Now open the GTA IMG tool. Press OK, Android, then Data. The IMG tool cannot read the data folder, but there is a workaround for that. Go to Zarchiver, Android, Data, scroll to the com.rockstar.chihesa folder, select Files, TextDB, then copy the GTA3.img, and paste it near the car mod folder. Now open the GTA IMG tool and go to where you had pasted the GTA 3 IMG. Select it, tap the three dots, add files with replace, and go to the car mod. Then select it. Select all, then click select and wait for it to process. Click on the three dots, then click Rebuild. Now go back to Zarchiver and copy the GTA3.img and take it back. Run the game. You will notice if you start a new game, the game will crash. Let's fix that. You can try this method on other crushing occurrences. Zarchiver Android, Data, com.rockstar, Files, then delete the sinfo.bin. Select Models, and then delete the minfo.bin. These files are recreated by the game once you run it. Now run the game again, and this time it won't crush. As you can see, even the bike has changed. Now let's make it run the best way possible. Settings, Display. Brightness 81%, car reflection detailed, shadows advanced, resolution maximum, and subtitles on. Now you can see that the game is stunning and very smooth. Pay attention to the sound of the car. Now let's install the soundmod.openZarchiver. You can see that the minfo.bin has already been created. Go back to where the sound mod is selected and go to com.rockstar.gtasa and copy it. Go back to Android data and paste it, apply to all files and replace.